everyone, welcome to the fourth part of the HTML tutorial. In this video we will try to build our own HTML site. For example, this is how I want to have my HTML site. You can build it in your own way. You can design it in your own way, whatever tools you learned so far. Besides the tools, whatever tags we learned so far and how the structure, there are a lot of tags in HTML. You can just go to W3 Schools. You can browse through this particular website. I'll leave the description of the site. I'll leave the link of the site in the description below. If you click types of tags in HTML, here you can see the types of tags, whatever we have done so far, and at the end you can see that there is an option to explore different tags in HTML. These are the different tags in HTML. You can use all these tags. You can use whichever tag you wish to use. So based on your requirement you can use these tags. Like for example, if you want to use H1 to H6, if you click here, it will show what is this particular tag and which browsers it will support and so on, more description about this tag and so on. So that's it. So in this video I want to create a website like this. So we will start from scratch. This is our index file. I will delete everything. This is our index file. If I refresh, I have an empty file. Now I want to build a site like this. First I will create the base HTML template, which is HTML and head, and we'll be having a body, and we need to close the HTML. That's it. So here inside head we'll be having a title. The title is welcome to my website. I'll be closing the title. And inside the body I am having a list here, as you can see. So first I need to create a list, and as you can see there it is a unordered list. So I can create a UL and I can create a list element called Facebook. There are 3 list elements: Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So I will close the unordered list. Below that I have my header tag. I think it's H1. It says, hi, welcome to my website. Below that I have a paragraph tag. It says, this is a sample website. Please use the above link to navigate to my social media profiles. I need to end this paragraph tag, and there is a horizontal line, so I will use the HR. And there is another paragraph tag here which says this is a sample image. Click the image to go to the Python tutorial. I will end the paragraph tag, and below this I have an image and after the image I have a horizontal line, and below that I again have a paragraph tag saying that made April 2019. So this is how my page looks. I will refresh my index. As you can see, this is how my page looks. It's somewhat similar to what you can see there, but there are a few things missing. As you can see, this is a link to the Facebook page. If I click, it's opening a link. I will copy this link, and what I will do is I need to add a link here, which means I can have an A tag, a href. I will paste the link here, close my A tag. If you look very closely, when I click this link, it is opening a new tab. So which means that I need to use target equal to underscore blank, which will open a new tab. In the same way, we have a link for Instagram. I will copy this link and I'll use a target is equal to underscore blank and href, paste the link. I will close the link. In the same way for YouTube, I will copy the channel link and I will use a target is equal to blank href, paste it, YouTube, yes. Now we copy pasted the link. So if you refresh the page, you can see that our links are working, but we need spacing in between these links. So in order to do that, we will enter a break tag between these links so that we get these nice little spacing. As you can see, we have the same spacing here, and here also there is one spacing after this paragraph. And we had an image here, we have an image here. So in order to know the image link, I will just open the image in new tab, and it is showing the entire address of the image. I will copy this, and in my image tab I will open the source and I will paste this particular link, and I will refresh my page here. Now you can see these two sites are pretty similar. So here you can just play around and you can do whatever you want. And one more thing, if you want to adjust the image width and height, instead of giving percentage, you can also use pixels, which means I can enter the height of the image as maybe 40 pixel, and if I load, you can see the height of the image is adjust to 40 pixel. If I give it as 100 pixel, you can see the height of the image is 100 now. If you want to increase it to 300 pixels, you can see the height is 300 now. When I enter only one parameter rather than having height and width, if I enter only height or width, the other parameter will automatically adjust based on the value I enter for one parameter. Like for example, if I give height as 300 pixel, the width will be automatically adjust for the 300 pixel. So that's it. Try to build your own website. If you have any doubt, leave a comment. Thank you.